Hi everyone, good evening. Martins, thank you so much for joining, and to some others, of course, magandang gabi po. We are now on live. Yeah, thank you. Riza May, good evening. Then this is Forensic Guru now on live. A, thank you so much for joining. A, and of course to some others, we are now on live. Thank you so much for joining. This is Forensic Guru. And of course, sa lahat sa inyo na dito ngayon. Oh, Riza May, hi. Kamusta ka? Teka. Thank you for liking. So we are now on live, and I hope everybody's preparing to spend time with Forensic Guru, just like the other day. Thank you so much. And that's my best up. Okay na hindi po. Anong okay na hindi po? Okay na hindi po. What's the Alvin? Thank you. Rizame, thank you for liking. And of course, to some others, maraming salamat po. And thank you so much for being with Forensic Guru. Redcliffe, thank you. Rizame, thank you for liking. Okay, Jace, thank you so much. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, you know what? Yung feeling na presko, may aircon, ganun pa din. But anyway, Solivaco. Hi, Solivaco. Thank you so much for joining. Zamanthia. Thank you, Riza May. Thank you for joining. To some others, of course, who's now with me. Thank you so much, Riza May. Zamanthia. Thank you, Rai. Thank you. And, of course, to some others. Riza May, nakita mo kung sino pumasok? That's why I see Heart. JNS, my partner. How are you? My partner, my moderator. And of course, my best half 16, Yan and CYSC. Thank you so much for the untiring effort and support. I love you for that, of course. Jan Patrick Mo, thank you so much. Don Lucio, thank you so much. There you go, Rizame. Thank you so much. 6 others who's right here right now. Maraming salamat for joining. And of course, coffee time. Of course, we're going to talk more about forensic, no? Rizame, thank you and for sharing the live. Wala ako kape. Okay, oo nga eh. May decaf. That's for you. May decaf tayo. Okay, that's good for you, decaf. Alright, so everybody's ready now for Forensic Guru's live. And to some others who's there, backyard, back gate, back door, lahat ng klaseng back. Thank you so much anyway for joining, di ba? And I know for a fact that you will learn. And basta maganda. Ma'am, sabi nung isa. Ma'am, paano po ma-identify? Am I audible? Good ba? Oo. Ma'am, paano po ma-identify through fingerprint yung nade-decompose na po? Well, nade-decompose. Of course, we need to get, kasi alam niyo, bumabagsak yung epidermis of the layer, no? Epidermis of the skin. The first layer, should I say. The first layer of the skin. Yan, epidermis po yan. Yes. Teka lang ha. Okay. Anong ginawa? Okay, the epidermis of the skin, bumabagsak yan. No? So, kapag ganyan, na nade-decompose na kayo, babagsak yan. So, the epidermis will be what? The reference of the fingerprint technician. Okay? So, kukunin natin yon. Bumabagsak kusa, nagro-roll siya eh. So, lahat ng skin natin eh. So, di ba nga naaagnas sa Tagalog? So, nawawala. Ibig sabihin, nag-aakyatan, bumababa. Ngayon, dahil sa nabubulok or nade-decompose, no, kapag nakaganyan yan, matigas yan, di ba? Kapag nakaganyan yan, bumababa yung epidermis of the skin. And that epidermis of the skin, yung kinukuha ng fingerprint technician. Yun ang isasubmit natin sa fingerprint examiner. Okay? So, yun. Okay. So, binubuksan ng aking... yes, thank you so much and I love you for doing that. Maraming salamat po. Good evening po, Prof. God bless. Okay. Why you change your name? Hindi ako sanay. Okay, better alone saying good evening. You better go back or identify yourself para mas ma-confirm ka sa akin. Okay, thank you so much. Why you change your name? Yan, tuloy. Lorraine, thank you so much. Jasmine Faith, thank you so much. Who's this? Oh, yeah, okay. Thank you so much. Okay, Jasmine Faith 27, maraming salamat. And of course, Kyle Pulev. No, naintindihan mo ba yung sinabi ko? Yung nagtanong, Don Lucio. Kapag po naaagnas or na-decompose, bumabagsak yung epidermis of the skin. First layer of the skin. Yung kinukuha ng fingerprint technician, thank you so much for the heart, me, Jasmine. Yun ang kinukuha ng technician. Nilalagay yan sa bote, lalagyan ng gamot, formalin, okay? And then isasubmit yan sa fingerprint examiner. So doon tayo magbabase. So kahit sabihin mo nabubulok siya or nasa decomposition stage siya, makukuhanan pa rin natin siya ng fingerprint kasi kukunin natin yung bumababa or yung bumabagsak na epidermis of the skin. Meaning, first layer. Okay? Ayun lang naman. Thank you so much. And of course, Jasmine 27, maraming salamat sa Heart Me and to some others nandito ngayon. Thank you so much. Magkaiba po, unpredictable. Okay, eto tanong niya. Ganito yan. Magkaiba po ba? Thank you for the red rose. No? Sabi ni unpredictable _me. Magkaiba po ba yung fingerprint technician at fingerprint examiner? You know what? Kapag nasa loob kami ng crime scene processing or scene of the crime, pag nasa loob kami ng scene of the crime, lahat kami nagtatrabaho. Kasi lahat kami, inaral namin yung bawat role ng isa, unpredictable. Tapos, kapag hindi available ang isa dahil busy sa ibang trabaho, kami na mismo yung tatayong fingerprint technician. So yung fingerprint technician na tinatawag namin or firearm technician, doon sa loob ng scene of the crime, habang nagpa-process kami, ako bilang forensic photographer, I can also do that. Provided I am not going to accept that fingerprint or postmortem fingerprint of that dead or that victim kasi hindi ako fingerprint examiner. Ang field of expertise ko, is forensic photographer. Kuha mo? So lahat ng pagkuha ng postmortem fingerprint na gagawin ko, i-address din nila akong fingerprint technician. Kasi ako yung kumuha. Okay. Imagine this. Dental aid, dental technician. Gumagawa sila, di ba, ng ngipin. Pero di sila sa treatment. Tama? So, magkaiba. So, fingerprint technician, pwede kaming gumawa ng ginagawa ng mga pagkuha ng postmortem. Pagkuha ng postmortem, pagkapatay na postmortem ang tawag. Pero hindi kami nag-e-examine. So, ako, bilang forensic photographer, kumukuha din ako ng postmortem fingerprint. So, magkaiba. Ang examiner, siya yung nagla-classify ng fingerprints. Kuha mo. Unpredictable. Kuha. I love Kia. Thank you so much for joining. Good evening, Jasmine. Cleo, thank you so much. And to some others nandito. Nobody. Hi, Nobody. Thank you so much for joining. Jasmine Faith. And to some others nandito ngayon. Thank you so much. And of course, 91 viewers. Sana naintindihan ni Unpredictable yung pagkakaiba ng dalawa, no? So, halimbawa, busy sila. So, ako yung gagawa. Ako yung kukuha ng fingerprint or postmortem fingerprint kasi hindi naman ako busy. Okay? So, tulungan kasi kami ng tulungan sa loob. Yun lang naman. Thank you so much for joining. And of course, nandyan na ba? Andyan na si mami ko. Okay. Hi, mami. Hindi ko na ba? Ayan, nandyan na pala. Okay. Invite ko pa lang sana eh. At least nakita niya agad yung live. So, maraming salamat po. And of course, the announcing or mentioning the presence of my mother. Of course, Leonor, 2145, that's my mother. Okay, so sana nasagot ko at nabigyan ko ng hustisya yung katanungan na ano ang pagkakaiba ng fingerprint technician saka sa fingerprint examiner. Examiner who examines all those fingerprint via classification and patterns, fingerprint patterns. While technician, hindi ito nag-e-examine, pero kami yung kumukuha ng postmortem fingerprint. Okay? Maliwanag. Okay, thank you so much. So, pag nagtanong kayo, huwag kayo aalis ha. Kasi, hintay mo yung sagot ko. Okay, so yun lang yun. Thank you so much. And to some others na dito ngayon, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you for being with me. 98 viewers, 2 to go. Piso na, 100 viewers. Okay? So, and to those who will be taking their board exam this coming August 1, 2, 3, 2026, good luck po sa inyo. Daddy Bruce, hi Daddy Bruce, sabi niya. Hello, Pro. Hi, mi amor. Hoy, mi amor, kamusta ka na? So, yung mga dumadaan-daan dito, thank you so much for, dropping by. And I really appreciate, no, yung mga dumadaan-daan dito ngayon. Thank you so much. And to some others, of course, Pisces, thank you so much. Jasmine Faith, thank you so much for joining. And to some others, Ken 12, thank you. May, Dina, hi. Okay, thank you. So, yun lang. Wala akong pending question. No? That's the second question. Yes, okay. So, yun lang. Okay. Hello, Daddy Bruce. And 2145 Junor, that's my mom. Thank you so much for being with me every time I go on live. No? So, yun lang naman. Thank you. We got 98 viewers as of this time. Maraming salamat, Daddy Bruce. Chessy Ramen, thank you so much. And to some others nandito ngayon. Backdoor, backyard, backgate. Ewan ko kung saan pa may back na yan. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And of course, Jasmine Faith, Anna Friend. Sana si Better Alone. Hindi mo pa ako sinasagot. Ha? Bakit ka nagpalit ng pangalan? Dali naman ang desisyon. Okay, Better Alone, thank you so much for joining. And to some others, Jasmine, thank you so much for giving me those red roses. I really appreciate that. Okay, thank you. And, wow, thank you, Jasmine. Kamusta na yung anak mo? Okay na ba? And I do hope, Rochelle Bakunawa. Hi, Rochelle. Ito yung mga suki natin. So, 82 viewers as of this time. Yan. Okay, Bughaw, thank you, Mika. Mika, hi, Mika. Skylerski and Tata Gel Guard. Okay, so we do entertain question, but of course, not the irrelevant or not those irrelevant questions na pinagtatatanong nyo. Hindi natin pwedeng entertainin yun kasi magugulo yung gustong matuto pa. Alright, so thank you so much. Tomorrow is holiday. And alam ko masaya-masaya mga estudyante. Kaya lang, ano ba, talaga naman wala. Oh yeah, oo, may meeting naman. Okay po, siya Prof, thank you. Oh wow, so dito lang, kung anong mga katanungan mo, sagutin natin yan, Miss Jasmine Faith, pagdating sa ganyan. Of course, not at this time. Nice campo ka. What? Okay, Yang, hi Yang. So, sino tong Francis na to? Okay. Coffee Giyang. Hi, Coffee Giyang. Riza. Hi, Riza. Thank you so much. And to some others who would like to join us, Guro on live na po tayo ngayon. Maria, Kayla, hi. Wasn't me, bro. Hi, Ma'am She, and of course, to my YSZ Harji, thank you so much. Please don't forget to tap your skin. You know why? Okay, kahit kadadating ko lang, interesado po ako sa topic, pwede po malaman kung what time I'm live. Oh, every Tuesday and Thursday, 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. Alright, so yun lang naman. Thank you so much, Colette, Ivan, thank you so much. Alright, Okay. Oh yeah, thank you so much. Just noted po, thank you. Tuesday yan Martes at Huwebes po ang live natin. Yan. Pan live. Okay, so to those who'll be taking the board exam. No, may nagtanong sa akin dito about the review center. I don't have any review center. Hindi ko nakatrabaho hanggang sa magretiro ako. Hindi ako pinalad na makatrabaho ang ating forensic pathologist, Dr. Raquel Fortun. Hindi dito, to those who are asking, no, na saan ang review, wala po ako review center. Hindi ako nakapag-isip na karoon ng sariling review center. But I am already invited, no? by the Stronghold Review Center. So, Kaina. Hi, Kaina. So, I was already invited by the Stronghold Review Center. So, it's positive already that I'm going to teach forensic science, no? For this coming August 1, 2, and 3 na board exam. So, nag-yes na ako kay Dr. Virtudaso. Abangan nyo, check nyo yung kanyang FB page, no? And then ask her if we could have online review also for those na hindi makaka-enroll o makakarating sa kanya. And of course, siguro mas cheaper. Kung mahina kayo sa forensic science, no? Doon tayo magre-request sa kanya na if we could have online review, especially made for those who would like to have forensic science na special review. Oo, kasi ang ano ko sa kanya is face-to-face, no? And I'm going to go to doon sa venue nila na sinasabi kung saan, no? But definitely naka-tie up ata sila sa Samson College. Doon nagkakandak, no? Oh, hi, Miss Aya. Miss Aya, good evening. Welcome to our live. Okay, so for those who are asking about the review center, I don't have a review center, but I will be teaching forensic science. Some of the forensic science, some of the areas of forensic science, no? Siguro na sa akin yung polygraph, lie detection, sa akin yung forensic photography, and question document. No? Kung sa akin niya ibibigay yon. Iba-iba kasi yung na-assign sa akin eh. But definitely I will not be teaching, or I will not conduct lecture about forensic chemistry or forensic ballistic. I'm not very good, no? With those areas of forensic science. Doon lang tayo para hindi kayo magugulo. And of course, usually, gustong-gusto ko kapag final coaching na. Oo. Kasi final coaching, I will be giving you the final answer. Tapos na kayo mag-rationale, tama? So, definitely doon ako sa final coaching. Oo, para mas maganda yung turuan. So, hindi na kayo malilito, no? Pag final coaching. Kasi final coaching will be your final answer during the review. So, wala nang kalito-lito yan. Well, forensic science book to read po. Why? First year, second year, third year ka na ba? Are you enrolled? Well, just go with the introduction to forensic science book. Any introduction to forensic science book will do. Just to give you an idea, if you're on your first year, third year forensic science po, third year ka na. Oh, wow. And still, you want to read more about forensic science? Siguro dumaan ka na sa introduction to forensic science. 'Di ba? Okay, 100 plus viewers down to 52. Thank you so much for joining. At sa mga dumadaan, of course, we always welcome dito kung saan ka man galing tribo, kung saan ka man galing team, kung saan ka man galing grupo, mapaaso, mapapusa, kung sino ka man, I will always welcome you here. Okay? So, walang problema. Every time I go on live, lahat po dito, welcome. Basta, no to bashers and detractors, no? Kasi nag-aaral po kami dito. If you want, you can make tambay there, and of course, spend some time with me, and with my moderator, YSC Hargenes, and of course, my mom, in the presence of my mom. You will be gaining something, nothing to lose, something to gain. Alright? So, yun lang naman. Thank you so much. And to some others, of course, maraming salamat. Thank you po. You need to what? You need to check about those introduction to forensic science. No? Any book naman. Kasi kapag introduction to forensic science na book, all in yun. And then, yun kasi yung pinaka-pundasyon mo. Introduction to forensic science book. After that introduction to forensic science, during your first year, second year will be what? Second year will be your major subject sa forensic science. Papasok na yung forensic photography, papasok na yung forensic fingerprint, papasok forensic ballistic, papasok yung question document, lie detection, forensic medicine or legal medicine. Dami ng darating. Pero to sum of everything, your first year will be the introduction to forensic science. Kung third year ka na, marami ka nang naaral. Oh yes, of course. Alam mo, thumbs up, 14344, thank you so much. No? Kung nakakausap mo si Ma'am Salangad, siya yung una kong hepe. And that's Ma'am retired Colonel Marlene Salangad. Yes, yes na yes sa katanungan mo kung kilala ko yan. Opo, kilala ko siya. Pati mga anak niya, syempre, kilala ko, no? Nagkasama kasi naging hepe ko po siya. Siya ang una kong hepe. Oo, magmula nagpulis ako, siya agad yung kumuha sa akin eh. Very workaholic siya. Naabot tayo ng kinabukasan. Yes. Okay na okay yan, si Ma'am Marlene Salangad. Thank you so much for asking. Okay, oo. At nakasama ko po si Police Colonel Marlene Salangad po. Siya ang una kong naging hepe. Alright? So, 61 viewers as of this time. Kamusta mo ako kay Ma'am Marlene Salangad? Okay, thank you so much. Mahaba ang pinagsamahan namin ni Police Colonel Marlene Salangad. Sobra. Oo, ako kasi yung ano niya eh. Ako sa yung admin PNCO. Dun sa department. No. Oo. Don't play. No po. Speedy _ 23. Thank you so much for saying good evening at Easy Marie. Thank you so much. Instructor po namin yan sa Credec. Oh yeah. Okay. Sige, kapag nakita mo ulit, pwede mo naman pakita yung picture ko. O kung hindi mo alam, syempre, hindi mo alam yung name ko, diba? O kung makita mo siya ulit. Matatandaan ako niyan, syempre. Kasi naging tao niya ako ng matagal na panahon. Alright? So, yun lang naman. Thank you, Speedy, for saying it. Don't play, no, I'm not married, but I'm already committed. Okay. And of course, to some others, no? And nasa serbisyo pa rin po kayo. No, I'm already a retired. Retired na po ako. Optional retirement po ang pinasa ko, no? Early retirement. So, I didn't reach the age of compulsory retirement, which is 56, no? So, nag-retire po ako na maaga. Okay? Ma'am, pwede po ba mag-tutor po? Magpa-tutor po for forensic photography, ma'am. Man, from what school are you? Haven't you experienced any coach from your school? Dapat may coach kayo, no? Kung nalilito man kayo sa photography. Kasi, yun ang subject ko ngayon, STEM. No? Dalawa. So, CREAM at saka sa forensic science. So, PCCR. PCCR! Batang 6-4. Sino prop nyo dyan? Chismisan mo nga ako. Dali na, di naman kita kilala. Huwag ka matakot. Speedy _ ayan, photographer yan. From Singapore, Speedy _ 23. My good friend, photographer po yan sa Singapore. Diba? Tama ba ako, Speedy? Baka ma-snitch mo. Huwag ka nang Hindi. Ako nang bahala dun. Safe ka dito. Sino? Apelido lang. Taga ano ba yan? Taga pulis ba yan? Pulis ba yan? I came from PNP. I served 24 years in service po ako. Natapos na po nung first year. Sino nga? Naman eh. Tignan mo, papatutor ka sa forensic photography. Wala man akong dyan, background kung sino. Tignan ko muna. Okay, apelyido lang. Dati ba siyang police? Or police ba siya? Sige, share mo muna sa akin. Safe naman yan. Walang ganun-ganun dito. Thank you so much. Para alam ko kung ano yung gagawin natin, no? Ano ba yung ituturo? Ano ba yung malabo sa'yo? You know what? Ito yun every time na may nagtatanong, no? They want to clarify and they want more knowledge. Nalilito ba kayo kay, Yan na nga. May mas malakas ang loob sa'yo. Ayan, sinabi na kung sino, Continental Creator. Taga-PCCR ka ba? It's gonna be fine. Wala namang problema dun. Oo, hindi mo naman siya sinisiraan. Sinabi mo lang na, ano ba sabi mo? Nalilito? Nalilito ka lang naman. And you want to ask for an assistance not to get confused about the topic siguro. Pero, you know what? Yan ba yun? Taga-forensic group ba yan? Teka muna, parang nalito ako bigla eh. Corporal ba yan? Para tayong Pinoy henyo eh, no? Okay, 72 viewers. You know what? Turo-turo lang siya. Tapos, hirap eh. Taga-forensic group. I just want to make sure kung siya nga. Eugene Tagaro, thank you so much, Taguro. Paano po? Ayun lang. No, hindi ako magaling dyan. Wala as in, ma'am. Hindi ako magaling sa Delta. sa core, bifurcation, hindi ako magaling dyan eh. Kaya nga iniiwasan ko magturo ng fingerprint, ng ballistic. I don't teach what I do not do. Hindi rin po eh. Okay. Parang narinig ko na eh. Rebosa. Oh, okay. What about? Ano ba yung tanong mo? May sumagot para sa'yo eh. Ikaw kasi nag-alanganin ka pa. So, tama ba siya? Yun ba ang pangalan ng inyong guro? So, kanina nga. So, swerte pala ng mga nahawakan ko. Kasi, hindi naman sa pagyayabang. Kasi di mo sila nagre-reklamo. No? Ang tinataka ko lang, yung nagre-reklamo or nagpapaturo pa ng extras. Nahihirapan din ako dyan. Ako po. Dami naman nahihirapan. Alam nyo kasi ganito yon. Wala eh. Oo, baka hindi rin naman niya ako kilala, Eugene, hayaan mo na siya. Okay, sabi niya, may kilala po ba kayong ganitong pangalan? Wala eh. Baka hindi rin naman niya ako kilala. Alam nyo, kasi ganito yan. No? Lagi ko naman itong nakikwento. And no offense, man, dun sa mga nagtuturo. Sabi ko kasi sa inyo, you need to undergo forensic trainings para pag nagturo kayo, hindi nagpupuntahan dito yung mga estudyante nyo para mag-conduct ako ng extra time for conducting a special lecture about forensic photography. Ganun sana. Okay? Do not teach what you do not know. Mag-undergo muna kayo ng forensic trainings. Oo. Isa Marie, good evening ma'am. Can I ask po if concubinage pa din po? Oy, Isa Marie. Ikaw naman, naligaw yung tanong mo, mamaya na yan. No? Hindi kasi sa akin yung tinatanong. No? We're talking about areas of forensic science dito. Yun po kasi turo sa amin. Okay. Mamaya na yan. No? We're talking about forensic. Ma'am, kilala niyo. Manalili naman. Manalili. Ang dami niyo naman tinatanong dito. Oo, yung mga tao. Huwag nyo nang hanapin yung mga yon. Ano ba naman kung kilala ko o hindi? Ang pag-usapan natin dito, kung paano kayo matututo, ha? Kawawa naman itong mga estudyante na to, no? Hayaan nyo na kung kilala ko sila o hindi, kung kilala nila ako o hindi. No? Basta ang maganda dito is, I can answer all your questions. Baka. Kasi ang nangyayari kasi is, natuturuan kayo, kulang. Diba? Kulang sa, let's say naturuan kayo and then meron kayong mga ganyang side comments against your teacher or professor or instructor. Hi Lance! Thank you so much for reposting. Ang problema kasi, naturuan kayo pero kulang sa sustansya. Tama ba ako? Talaga ba, Don't Play? Thank you so much. No? I really like and I really appreciate your comment. No? Sabi ni Don't Play, baka marami siyang natutunan. Okay, dapat kasi marami talaga kayong matutunan. Kasi kapag graduate na kayo at nag-imbestiga kayo, definitely it will not go through without the forensic investigation. Tama? Paano kayo magiging magaling na investigador niyan? Para maiwasan yung lapses sa pag-iimbestiga. Ang nagiging problema kasi, sabi ko nga, do not teach what you do not know. You need to undergo forensic trainings para maipasa nyo na maganda dun sa mga estudyanteng nakanganga. Naghihintay ng sasabihin nyo. Huwag kayong magalit sa akin, no? Let's just rectify those petty errors ng mga estudyante, no? Iayos lang sana natin. Sabi ko nga, let's just rectify all those petty errors. Ano ba yung mga petty errors na yan? Hindi ka pa nag-undergo ng training yan and yet binabasa mo lang sa binabasa mo, nag-YouTube. So how can you be very effective as a educator? Diba? Diba? Totoo naman eh. Mahirapan ka maging very good sa isang field na yan or dyan sa isang subject na yan kung sa panahon na hindi mo pa rin naman natututunan. Diba? Kailangan matutunan mo ng gusto yung ituturo mo. Kasi kawawa, kita mo, nagpupuntahan tuloy dito itong mga to. Diba? Gusto ko pa naman magturo kasi yung prof namin di na papaliwanag ng maayos. Galing niyo po when it comes to explanation. Dati kaya di pati kayo Hindi! Alam mo, Don't Play, no? Kung hindi mo first time dito, lagi ko sinasabi, this is a God-given talent for free. Nagretiro ka nga, tapos hindi mo pa i-share yung knowledge mo, di ba? So, kailangan i-share mo yun para yung mga successor mo maging maganda rin yung gagawin nila sa mga susunod. Oh yeah, parang mga naging estudyante ko ba? Yan ang magandang mga nababasa ko, di ba? So gusto po na, ayan, yan. Okay, so yun lang naman. Esang, thank you so much for the follow. Pero yung sa forensic identification, magaling magturo. Siguro kayo taga PCCR. Okay, very good naman yan. Di ba dating din dyan si Ma'am Sim? Nagpunta pa nga ako dyan. Nagkakitaan kami ni retired Colonel Sim. Actually, retired General Sim. No? Hinihimay talaga ng maayos. Yes! Kailangan di ba? Opo, ma'am. Yeah! Nagkita kami dyan ni retired General Ligaya Sim. And mabilis lang siya Nag-resign agad Dapat magtuturo din ako dyan Para dalawa kami ni Ma'am Sin sa and some others. Oo. But anyway, sige lang. No? Sana lang talaga, opo, pero sobrang effective niyo. Yes! Siyempre, director namin yun. Naging direktora ng forensic group yun, Eman. Yeah, oo, magaling yun. Tsaka very dedicated yun. You know what? Ganito kasi yan. Sa kahit na anong relasyon, no? Yung dedication and devotion, kailangan. Ano yung relasyon nating dalawa? Student-teacher. You will be gaining from me and I will be gaining also from you. Tama? Kailangan laging ganon. So, kailangan kapag may turuan, may commitment kasi yan. No? I am committed with my students for them to learn more about the subject. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan, if you're teaching, you have this dedication. You have this devotion. Diba? Kailangan, maibigay mo kung ano yung para sa kanila. Hindi rin natuto ng maayos. Ano? Ma'am, plan B po. Kasi nga po, hindi rin natuto ng maayos. Ano po kayong dapat gawin? Kaya nga di ba? So, you will be, pagkaganyan kasi, dapat may extra kang pamamaraan kung paano mo matutunan. Ano bang subject yan? Let's say, photography. Oh, just attend my live, baka sakaling may ma-share ako sa'yo, tapos mo naman na yung subject, baka may tanong ka, then mag-sharing tayo para may extra learnings ka. Diba? Imagine ilan kayo dito ngayon na nagsisentir, no? Sabi ko nga, ayan lumalabas, 75 viewers, alam mo ba? Minsan may dean, minsan may professor dyan. Minsan may bagong dyan. So kumukuha sila dito ng topic, no? Ng techniques. But the problem is, kahit makuha mo yun, paano yung delivery? Kasi nasa delivery yun paano ka maging effective sa students mo. Tama? Sabi ko nga, dapat, if you're a professor and if you are a forensic educator, forensic instructor, you have this kind of technique. And what are those techniques? Ang estudyante kasi, kailangan may interest, tsaka may willingness. Ang mga forensic educator naman or all other educators, kailangan naman nilang merong devotion tsaka dedication. It goes hand in hand. Kapag nagkukulang yan, ang hirap nila matuto. Diba? Tapos maliit pa yung pasensya ng guro. Tapos pasaway pa yung estudyante. Wala na. Tatama rin na. Meron kasi ibang prof madamot sa sarap kaya pangaral ang kriminal. Pag-aralan. Hindi madamot. Walang madamot kasi yan na yung karir nila Tamad. Diba? Tamad in the sense na hindi nila ma-explain in detail. Dapat kasi detalyado. Kasi itong mga itong mga to, kaya sila nag-aaral, gusto pa lang nilang matuto. Di pa nila alam yung mga bagay-bagay na yan. May mga teacher din nanonood lagi sa atin, no? Para makapag-share lang. Anyway, huwag kayo magalit, no? Truth hurts, di ba? Huwag kayo magalit, no? Kaya kayo nag-aaral, gusto pa lang nilang matuto. So you don't expect them to answer perfectly your question. Tama ba? Tama ba yung pinagsasabi ko? So ano naman yung na-expect mo dito sa mga to? Di ba? Kaya ako, may sasagot. Kala nila hindi ko sila grinigradan na okay lang. sumagot ka lang dyan, no? At least you practice your public speaking. Ang career na pinapasok nyo, kundi magsalita na magsalita, eh. Di ba? Pagdating sa court, hindi ka pwedeng hindi pwedeng naka-ano ka lang, tight lip. No, walang ganun. Kailangan ibuka mo yan. No, kailangan magsalita ka na magsalita. Why? You need to give justification, eh. That's why you are there to testify. Di ba? Wala, napapag-aralan lang natin kung ba't may mga ganitong mga sentiments, no? May mga ganitong reklamo, may mga students. And thank you so much for this kind of topic, no, that we are into right now. Thank you so much, I really appreciate. Kasi tignan mo, nakalimutan nyo mag-tap-tap, 10,800, mag-tap-tap muna kayo dyan, mga lungkot buhay, no? Itong mga bata kasi, may mga lungkot buhay sila, no? What's that lungkot buhay means pagdating sa mga terms ng mga kapulisan? Siyempre, walang sarap buhay. Di nila maintindihan yung forensic photography. Here comes the board exam. Nga, kamote, Joyce Ann Fernandez High. Di ba? Kasi sinong pasimuno, sinong promotor? Di mga mentor, instructor, guro, teacher, professor. Di ba? Bato-bato sa langit, tamaan, masakit. Talaga, masakit. Ako I always go for reality talaga. Di kasi ako plastic. Very transparent ako. Lumalabas talaga yan sa mukha ko pag di ko type, pag di ko gusto, di ko. Pero all those students, no, I keep on telling them, kahit mali yung sagot nyo, sumagot kayo. Training ground kasi yun. No? And I'm very particular about the attendance. Reklamo na nga yan sa akin eh. Sobrang higpit ko sa attendance. Why? Alam nyo ba, pag natapos kayong mag-aral, walang katapusan attendance yan sa trabaho. Lalo na kung ang trabaho nyo, no work, no pay. Paano kung pangit yung pundisyon nyo? Hindi kayo pala pasok. Madadala nyo yan kapag nag-office na kayo or pag nag-duty kayo. Di ba? Ako naman kasi, pag humawak ako ng estudyante, training ground lagi yun sa akin. You always speak about the subject matter, di ba? About your project, about your activity, about your anything that has something to do with the subject matter. Talk it out with me para masanay ka ba? Hi, Junel. Di ba? And then, of course, the in and out of your presence, no? Inside my class, very good yan. Kasi that's your training ground nga. Sabi ko, walang katapusan, papasok ka pag office. Kasi pag di ka na pumasok, wala ka sweldo. Pag pumapasok ka sa school, ikaw pa yung nagbabayad ng tuition mo. Bibigyan kitang grades. Yun lang. Pero pag nagtatrabaho ka na, sweldo na ang katapat niyan. Diba? Huwag ka mag-alala kay Gas Abelgas. Kumpare ko po siya. Okay, marami tayong pinagsamahan with Gas Abelgas. Oo. Naging, advisory council namin yan, AC, no? Okay, so yes, na-meet ko ng ilang beses, nakakwentuhan ko ng ilang beses, at magkatuwang kami sa pamangking ko, kaya lagi kami magkakwentuhan nung active pa ako. But as of this day, hindi na kami masyado nakikita ni Mr. Gas Abelgas. Alright? Okay, so yun lang naman. Thank you so much, no? So please do remember na itong mga kabataan na to, no? Nag-aaral kasi sila because ito yung investment nila eh. Oo, dyan naman sila, di ba? Yeah, nakakalungkot lang pag merong mga ganyan na nagsasabi ng mga hinaing nila when it comes to their learnings, no? Sa mga forensic subject. Ito kasi nagiging dahilan yung iba, mamambaba ko, sakit sa bangs nung nangyaring board exam. Napakahirap ng forensic. Yun na nga yung ikinabagsak, di ba? Kasi from the start pa lang, from the very beginning, mahina yung pundasyon. Okay, so yun lang naman. So kailangan pagtibayan niyo yung pundasyon sa forensic. Kasi all after, ang magiging karir mo sa pagpupulis. Sabi ko nga lagi sa mga estudyante ko, you know what? Yung karir natin, thank you so much for joining my YSC. Yung karir kasi natin, yung mga estudyante dyan, sa pagpupulis, how many percentage mo ibibigyan yung investigasyon? Oh wow, thank you so much for all those gifts. Jasmine Faith, okay, from Japan. How many percentage ba? Kahit saan ka ma-assign, kahit natutulog ka, Pag sinabing may nangyayaring gulo doon, you're there as a first responder, right? So, paano mo yan ito-turn over sa investigator on case? So, papasok pa rin. Papasok pa rin yung pag-iimbestiga. 75%, 60%, 60-40. Focus ka sa investigation because you are there to serve and protect. So, anything happens, you're there. Diba? To serve and protect all those Filipino people na nagpapasweldo sa'yo via tax. Tama? Kaya dapat palang, may pundasyon kayo. Oh yeah. Thank you so much, my YRC. So, if ever na may mga tanong kayo, don't leave yet, no? Kasi sasagutin ko naman yan. So, itong mga to na nagtanong about the lecture, no? Special lecture, let's see. Of course, I'll be having my forensic lecture, forensic subject, para sa board exam August 1, 2, 3, and I'm now preparing my slides, no? Preparing a new slides for that, no? Kung ano yung naka-assign sa akin. But, of course, malaking percentage dyan sa forensic photography agad, no? So, kasi yan ang field of expertise ko. And then, lie detection techniques follow. Siguro, di ko pa alam. And then, of course, yun lang naman. Followed by another, ano pa ba yun? Siguro, question document. Yeah. Baka tatlo, hindi ko alam eh. So, yun lang man. So, thank you so much, 55 viewers and to some others, okay? Oo. So, yung mga walang sustansya, irrelevant comments and whatsoever, sayang lang yung pagod nyo, continuous yung pagbablock at pag-mute sa inyo, nakikik kayo agad. No? So, wag na kayo dito manggulo. Okay? So, yung mga nababasa agad dyan, nakikik agad right away, namimute kayo agad right away. So, wala rin. So, definitely, you'll be out of this dito, sharing on my content. No? So, yun lang naman. So, yung mga kanino nagtanong, no? Basta ganito ulitin ko lang. Doon sa mga forensic or even non-forensic, basta kayo ay instructor, course instructor. Thank you so much, my partner, YS. Lecturer, teacher. Thank you so much, Jasmine. So, lahat kayo, yung mga guro, kailangan bigyan nyo ng magandang pundasyon yung mga estudyante. That's gonna be their investment. No? Education is an investment. So, kayong mga guro, tayong lahat, what we need to do and to give is always and forever yan, the best of the most. Okay? What are those best of the most? Yung dedication tsaka devotion sa pagtuturo. Kayo naman mga estudyante, bigyan nyo naman ng interest and willingness to learn yung itinuturo sa inyo. Para it goes hand in hand kasi di ba? So, minsan, yung may mga estudyanteng may hinaing, hindi lang naman din siguro ang may problema. Baka wala kang interest, wala kang willingness, kaya yung absorption mo, nagigets nyo? Yung absorption mo nung subject or topic na dinidiscuss, ayaw pumasok. Hinihintay mo mag-time. Nag-estudyante rin ako eh. Yes, Novu, I am a licensed criminologist po. No? Yes. Ito yung mga konting qualifications na nandyan. Kasi hindi makakasya siguro lahat yan. Ano? So, yan po. I am a registered criminologist, CSP-CST. Retired po ako from the PNP Forensic Group. I served 24 years as a forensic photographer. Okay, so to those again, balikan ko lang, as I said a while back, yung mga students kasi, no, you need to put some interest and willingness. Kasi kapag hindi, yung absorption mo, nung tinuturo niya, baka naman napakahusay na ng turo niya, di mo pa maintindihan kasi wala kang interest. Okay, Nobu, you questioned my capacity if I'm a criminologist, no? Yeah, I am a registered criminologist. And now you're telling me that you also passed the board exam. and asking me as an advice. At first, wala ka palang tiwala sa akin. Natanong mo muna bago ka magpa-advise. But anyway, it's very okay. So you just passed the board exam this February 2026. Congratulations. Any advice, ma'am, para mag-start pa lang po ako sa profession? Ayan na nga eh. So, advice ko sa'yo, trust first yourself na kaya mong pasukin itong profession na to. So, paano mo yan bibigyan ng tiwala sa sarili mo? Okay, you need to prepare yourself. Alam mo naman na R-cream ka na. So, ano-ano yung lineups mo dapat? Okay, ano yung lineups mo dapat? Saan ka ba pwede mag-start? Kapag meron kang pride, ayaw mo mag-start sa baba. So, you'll be expecting more of that. Advice lang to, kwento lang. Example. So, ayaw mo mag-start sa baba. Gusto mo agad sa taas. Walang ganon, ha? Sa mga nag-i-start ng trabaho dyan, walang ganon. Kaya nga may hagdan. No? Your career will be ladderized. Step 1, step 2. Parang sanggol. Parang toddler. Dahan-dahan kang lumalaki. Diba? So, mahihirapan talaga kayo magtrabaho kung mapili ka. No? So, you don't know where to start. Oh, yung iba nga, in preparation sa pagiging PNP, nagwagwardya muna yung mga yan. Yung iba nga, nagsusorbetero, mga kasamahan ko sa mga utility. Of course, just to earn money. Para may pansustento ka doon sa pag-apply mo. Alam mo ba yun? Pag nag-apply kayo sa pagiging pulis, nakita nyo naman hanggang ulo ang folder. Miat-miat, tabings, folder, di ba? Magastos. So, kailangan, meron muna kayong preparation. So, you need to start from the zero. You need to start from letter A. So, advice, okay, you need to trust yourself na eto dapat yung maging trabaho ko. So, I will be aiming for that goal. You need to target that goal na someday, in any ways, kailangan maging pulis ako. Kasi ito yung career na gusto ko. Kasi kapapasa ko lang ng board, lisensyado na ako eh. So, target mo yan. Diba? So, bago mo targetin yan, ano yung preparation mo? Papasok ka na, pasado ka na. So, mag-i-invest ka na naman. Ano yung mga special courses habang wala ka pang trabaho? Take that all special courses, may balik naman yan pagka nagtrabaho ka na, kikita ka ulit. Di ba? So, 120 viewers down to 22. Thank you so much for joining and to some others, no? Yes. Oh, ganun kasi yun eh. So, you need to prepare yourself. Of course, nakita ko si ML. Hi, ML. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Napaka malaman, ma'am. Yes! Oh, alam niyo dito, sabi ko nga, you need to stay here. You'll be gaining something here, nothing to lose, something to gain. Kasi, kanino ka man isi-share to? Di ba? Sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon, something to gain, nothing to lose talaga. Okay, so we don't entertain bashers, we don't entertain detractors, just stay with me. Pagtas nito, tsaka ka na makipaggulo-gulo sa iba, but you know, the fact that you stay here, you'll be gaining something naman. Oh, look at who's here? Look who's here, YSC! Oh, shout out, gandang gabi, Prof. Of course, kanina ka pa, late ka, markahan kita late. Jeron, and Jan, hi. Saying, ma'am, kamusta po kayo? No? I do hope nakapagbigay ako ng teka, sabi nga ni Jasmine, tama po kayo, Prof. As in, so interest po the topic. Yeah. You know what, Jasmine Faith, if you do have time every Tuesday and Thursday, marami pa ditong sharing. Madami ako ditong sharing. Yes, and I'm hoping na this will benefit all those viewers, no? Okay dito, kahit na hindi tungkol sa forensic. Wag lang niyo ako shadow ban. Nakakadalawa na ako. I don't know what's the reason. Nasa shadow ban tayo eh. Obvious naman. Oo, kasi hindi naman tayo bumababa. Biglang magkakaroon 11, 7 viewers. Automatic, di ba? Ba't nyo pa isa shadow ban na yan? Sabihin mo na lang, oy, forensic, huwag ka magturo. Isa shadow ban kita. Pero di na rin ako nagpre-prepare. Diba? Hi ma'am, R-cream na po ako. Thank you for free tips po. During my review day, nanonood ako. See? Oh, sabi ko sa inyo, something to gain here eh. Thank you so much, Jan, for your appreciation. Keep on inspiring and motivating others, man. Of course, I will do that. No? Yes, so very obvious naman, you don't have to ask naman. Sabi ko sa inyo, biglang nag-automatic kung nawawala. Ang galing mo. Thank you so much, my YSC Origins, di ba? Captured ka agad. Oo. You don't need to ask. You don't need to ask yung mga gustong magtanong kung anong aking gender, no? You don't need to ask. It's very obvious naman. Alright? So, yun lang naman. Thank you so much. And solid to guys, watching and learning. Yes, no? May mga patotoo tayo rito, no? So, if you want to learn more, wisdoms, and some others na kahit anong pwedeng pag-usapan, wag lang bashers kasi nakikikayo agad, captured agad kayo ni YSC. Sayang. Okay, so 76 palo na naman agad, no? Thank you so much for joining. And to some others, again, I would like to remind everybody, you go to Stronghold Review Center FB page. They're announcing right now that they'll be having lectures, no, coming from those mga lectures na talagang piling-pili nila, no? Stronghold Review Center. And then I will ask Dr. Virtudazo if he could also conduct special review for the forensic. Ito kasi yung mga nahihirapan yung iba, no? Special review para sa August 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Board exam. Okay na yan. Wag na. Mahaba pa yan. And of course, thank you so much, DDG, and to some others. It's already 12:09. Papatalo ba kayo last Tuesday? Ang taas ng likes ko no? So you keep on tapping your screen. Actually, wala namang masama. It's all, sa mga nagla-live, mapapansin nyo na nagpapatap-tap sila. Because para malaman ni TikTok, may interaction tong content creator or, ganun lang yun. But there's nothing on it naman. May house rule po tayo. Yes, thank you so much. And to some others naman po, thank you so much for the follow. Yung mga nandito tumatambay, I do hope nakakapag-share ako ng magandang matututunan sa inyo. Betcha, thank you so much. And to some others, 76 viewers, no? Maganda yung mga tanong nila kanina. Alright, so yun lang. Bakunawa, thank you so much for joining. Oo, yung mga nagtsatsagang makinig at nagtitiwala, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Of course, Hennessy ba yan? Naiwan na yung aking kape. Oh, Jasmine, thank you so much for that gifts, no? So, yun lang naman. Anyone who would like to ask? Okay, so ano yung tanong nyo? Baka mambibwisit lang kayo. Okay, you want to ask something, of course, you could join me here on screen, no? And with audio. Okay naman magtanong. Newbie lang po, Betchay Kitoriano. Hi, good evening. Hi po, good AM na po. Alright, newbie lang po. Very good. Thank you so much as nawilihan ka magstay and for trusting Forensic kong guro. Sana mawili ka every Tuesday and Thursday po ang live natin. And we are always discussing. Happy Labor Day! Okay, we are always discussing about forensic investigation po. So, yun lang naman. Okay, so Labor Day na, May 1 na. Biruin nyo. How many days lang? Nandun lang sa kahapon yung month of April. May na. Oh, di ba? Ang galing. And we need to be very thankful for that. No? Kada magpapalit ng buwan, you're there. You're very secured of what you have every day, no? Oh, di ba? And you're always lucky. We are always lucky in our everyday lives. No, we need to be very thankful. You know? My daughter, ako, na criminology student po. Oh wow, good luck sa daughter nyo, no? Suportahan nyo yan, ma'am. Oo, kasi yan ang gusto niya, kaya siya nag-enroll sa criminology. And she wants to be one of us. I'm a former PNP member. I served 24 years as a forensic photographer sa PNP Forensic Group. So, yun lang naman. Thank you. And she is a second year college na. Ask ko lang po. Mahirap po, forensic. Yun nga po, yun sabi ko kanina, Miss Betchay Kitoriano, no? Humihirap lang yan kapag walang interest at willingness. Pero make yourself excited, no? Every time na merong forensic subject. Oo. So lagi kayong excited dapat. Ano kaya yung matututunan ko sa araw ngayon sa pagdating sa mga ebidensya? Thank you so much for the untiring efforts to mute and block all those irrelevant questions. May YSC hard GNS, no? So, yun lang, no? Ano ba yung matututunan ko sa araw-araw pagdating sa ebidensya na meron kaming lecture kay ma'am ganito, or sa akin? 'Di ba? Dapat meron talagang willingness. Ano po yung pinaka-interesting evidence na nakuhaan nyo po before? Well, you know what? No? Bukod sa Pirapi, ito 73 viewers. Shoutout po, 76. Maraming salamat po. Baka lang naman hindi naturo or baka nakakalimutan nyo. Sa loob ng scene of the crime, maraming ebidensya. Pero, never ever forget that the most evidence that you could ever have is yung bangkay, yung patay, yung biktima. Okay? Tandaan niyo yan. Itong mga pira-pirasong ebidensya, support ito sa kanya. Para malaman natin, sino ba yung perpetrator? Sino ba yung criminal offender? Tama? So sabi niya, ano po ba yung asa na ba yan? Sa ebidensya, no? Sabi niya, ano po yung pinaka-interesting evidence na nakuhaan niyo po before? Okay. Siyempre, yung mismong victim. And in support, yung mga pira-pirasong ebidensya, ano ba yung ginamit sa kanya? Ano ba yung mga nahawakan? Diba? So lahat yung ebidensya. Ano yung mga kinuha? Diba? Ano yung mga naiba ang pwesto? Tama ba? 108 viewers, no? Thank you so much for your time. Ano yung mga naiba ang pwesto? Ano yung mga ginamit sa pagkitil ng buhay niya? Iniingatan natin yung choice of words kasi baka hindi tanggapin ni TikTok, no? Ayaw niya masyado yung mga rude words, vulgar words. Ayaw niya yung mga ganun, no? So, alam ko naman malalim yung Tagalog, naiintindihan niya. So, ano yung ginamit? Alleged weapon use, Inglesin na natin. So, never ever forget that the most evidence that you could ever have inside the scene of the crime is yung body of the victim. Maraming pwedeng gawin dyan. Ano-ano? DNA. Extraction of urine kung sakaling gusto mong malaman kung ito ay drug dependent. Nag-gets nyo? Majesty, hi, good morning from. Diba? Nag-gets nyo? Okay, so may mga pagdududa ka if this victim is into drugs. So anong gagawin nyo? You need to ask the medical legal officer in the presence of forensic chemists during the conduct of autopsy, which is post-mortem examination of the body, internal and external. So you need to ask to extract, extraction. Nagtuturo ka po ba sa mga? Nagtuturo po ako, ma'am. I teach at Lyceum of the Philippines University, Batangas City. So, nagkakaroon ng extraction dyan for the urine. Kukuha sila. Ako naman for the documentation, ako naman yung kumukuha ng photographs, no? So, nag-extract sila ng urine sa kidney. Okay? Para isubmit to. May certain oras lang yan, ha? Okay, kasi kung ikaw nga nagpapalaboratory exam, maga pa lang kinukuha na, hindi na pwedeng tanghali. Mapanis yan. So, yung victim kinukuha. Kasi you want to know if he's a drug dependent or not. Diba? Dinadrug test nga yung buhay, dinadrug test din sila. Pero may certain hours lang. Diba? Mag-extract yan. DNA, of course. Postmortem fingerprint. Diba? Physical identification. That's your evidence, no? And the rest, na nandoon, ito na. No? So you need to know the 6 cardinal points of investigation lagi-lagi because it answers, no? Ito, makinig ka, Tiger. Ano yung mga expectations? Makinig ka lang. So it will answer your questions, no? Why? Reason. No? So sagot yun 6 cardinal points of investigation, 5 W's and 1 H. Why, where, when, who. Diba? It answers every question na nandyan at the back of your mind. And then how? Manner of execution, paano niya ginawa? Diba? Why answers the reason. Bakit niya ginawa? And then, of course, the time and date, place of occurrence, answers the who, answers the where and the when, and of course, who is the criminal offender? Answers the question, who? The anim yan. No? To make a very good report, to make a very good investigation, anim yung sasagutin mong katanungan. Buo na. Facts of the case, description of the case, buo. Diba? So, never ever forget that the most evidence that you could have is, the body of the victim, yung biktima. And then followed all those pieces of evidence that you can immediately gathered and collect, no? Gathered and collected by all forensic investigators that time na nagkakaroon ng crime scene processing. Okay? So, yun lang naman. Any more questions? Nagtuturo ka ba? Yes. Good morning po, sabi ni Majesty. And so, J.R. Chavez, thank you so much. Thank you po sa knowledge. Alright, very good. And of course, sa mga nandito ngayon, maraming salamat po. 93 viewers as of this time. Hennessy, thank you so much for liking Kaina. Thank you, yung mga matyagang nagdududut, no? So, talunin natin yung dating likes natin. Sana lang naman. 17,000 as of 12:19. Okay, thank you so much for joining. Rain. Good morning, Mom. Sabi ni JB. Hi, JB. Kumusta ka? Good morning, this is Jasmine Faye. Thank you so much for the trust. I do hope I could have you again here. Next live, every Tuesday and Thursday po yung live natin, no? 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. Prof, I guess this course will be more in demand nang dahil sa'yo. Wow! Napakahusay ng motivation mo, Prof. Thank you so much for that, Jeron. Ano? Sana nga, para lagi nilang pag-iigihan yung pag-iimbestiga. No? Kasi, itong mga forensic investigators, umaasa lang naman kami sa tawag ng crime investigator. Passer na po ako, ma'am. Solid forensic mo po. Thank you so much, JB. Okay, yung mga bumabalik dito, they claim it even before prior pa. So, thank you so much for the trust sa mga learnings at sa mga tips and techniques na na-share ko kahit konti man yan, napasali tayo. Maraming salamat, JB, and to some others, no? Going back doon sa mga sinasabi nilang motivating all those students, no? All criminology students, no? Ito kasi yung pinakapundasyon mo sa pag-iimbestiga. When you are into investigation, okay, alam niyo yun, the crime investigator will be calling you to extend your assistance as forensic investigators. Tama? Forensic. So, what do you mean by forensic? This is all, has something to do rather with the investigation. All those pieces of evidence must be submitted right then and there na nakukuha nyo, automatically, ito ay ipapasa nyo agad, no? For laboratory examination to be conducted by one forensic examiner. Right. Okay. Now, hindi doon natatapos yun. Hindi doon matatapos yun. Kailangan makarating to sa korte. Anong gagawin mo sa ebidensya kung hindi mo dadalhin sa korte? So, you will be subpoenaed, no? Okay, mai-issuehan ka ng subpoena and they're inviting you to testify and justify as a forensic expert witness. Tama? So, you need to be very good in the conduct of investigation. Because you are there to help all those families of the victim. Yung victim hindi na yung magsasalita, patay na yan eh. Wala na siyang pakialam. But all those families of the victim who are mourning for the death of those loved ones na meron sila, may utang kang malaki dyan. Ano yung utang mong malaki dyan? Kasi nandiyan ka sa klase ng trabaho, di ba? You know what? All of this were already applied the time na nandyan ako sa serbisyo. Oo, grabe, trabaho ko nun eh. Sabi ko nga, kaya prinogram ko yung sarili ko. Sabi ko sa mother ko, Ma, you know what? I made the decision that at the age of, I will be working with those pieces of evidence. I've given so much of my all. Grabe, sulit ang gobyerno. And, you know, I work without any hesitations, considering the fact na hindi naman ako criminology graduate. Oh, I graduated from La Consolacion with the course of AB Economics, and then I just would like to understand more of what criminology is all about. That's why I took up another course. And ito na nga, no? BS Crim. Kaya dapat talaga, no? Kung magtatrabaho ka para sa ganitong klaseng serbisyo sa bayan, You need to give your best foot forward always. Oo. Kasi umulan bumagyo, ito nga sinasabi namin lagi, umulan bumagyo, may sweldo. Magkagera o wala, tuloy ang increase. May dalawa pang natitira, tatlo yan, di ba? Di ba? Tumaas man ang gas, wala naman pag-stop. Pag sinabing increase, increase. Hindi na po-postpone. So, ikaw, ganun kasi naging attitude ko when I was still in the service, no? Oo, I've tried everything to be, as good as those na nag-taxpayer. Hindi sila kasi nawawalan ng, hi ML, hindi sila nawawalan ng, ng kaltas sa tax ba? And that those taxes, no, papunta sa atin yun. And you need to reciprocate everything. And we are being paid. Sabi ko nga, di ba? Hi ML. Nakikita ko, wag naman magagalit sa akin yung mga bagong kapulisan. Nung araw kasi, very talaga, very sincere. Rendering duties and responsibilities of one PNP member, very sincere talaga yan. But ngayon, very sincere talaga. Kaka-message, kakalaban dun sa kalaban niya sa kanyang ML, no? Sa mga laro, sa TikTok, while on duty. Alam niyo ba yun? Pag nakikita kayo ng mga taxpayer na ganda, na ganyan kayo, minsan, they're longing for more, ano ba yung dapat nyong ibigay since nabibigay naman nila yung para sa atin. Di ba? Hindi ako, wag kayong magagalit sa akin. Kasi yun yung mga future nating mga kapulisan na nandito ngayon, no? Oo, wag nyong ugaliin yung ganun kasi sayang lang naman. Baka maunahan kayo. Di ba? Di ba nga pag kumakain kayo sa, point, turo-turo. Di ba hindi tayo nakatalikod? Paano kung nakayuko? Bawal kasi nakatalikod as much as possible. Natutunan nyo ba yan? Mga bagong kapulisan? Na-share ba sa inyo yan? Diba? Pag kumain kayo sa open air, di ba hindi tayo nakatalikod? Tama? Ngayon hindi. Dapat hindi ka nakayuko. Tama ba? Truth hurts, di ba? I'm just stating a fact. Just sharing. Di ba, Jeron? Dapat kasi, kahit naman sabihin nyo sa kataas-taasan, ito si ma'am, sobra to, parang, hindi. Ang dami ng memong bumaba regarding those na naka-duty, na nakayuko. Imbes na nag-duty ka, police visibility ka, nakikita ka nila, pero nakayuko ka. Nung araw kasi, ang maganda is, hanggat maaari, kung kakain ka or relax ka, bawal kang patalikod, di ba? So, eto yung karinderya, eto yung restaurant na open, talagang dito ka rin. Nakikita mo, hindi ka tatalikod. Oo. Ngayon, sa memo, bawal ang nakayuko. Baka maunahan ka. Kailan, paano kung right-handed ka? Paano yan? Baka maingatan mo pa yung iPhone na yan o yung cellphone bago ka makabunga. Wala lang. Nakikita ko kasi di ba? Oo. Yung mga bagong pulisan, kayo magagalit. Try to think of that, no? Try to, relax yourself and then think about that. Baka maunahan ako na kayo ko. Or sulit ba yung sweldo ko? Kaka-increase pa lang naman, sayang. Kita kayo ng mga taxpayer. Ako kasi tapos na eh. So just sharing my thoughts, no? Huwag kayo magagalit kay ma'am. Oo, so yun lang naman. So all those questions to be answered naman kung meron. Wala, sharing lang to, no? And of course, sabi nga ni Son, paano po maging investigator? You need to undergo trainings. Maraming trainings para maging investigators po. Jasmine Faye, thank you so much for those gifts. And to some others, tama, sabi ni Jeron. No? So thank you so much, ML. Mami love yan, ano? Maraming salamat po sa mga dumadaan. Kung taga saan man kayo, pusa, aso, kung anong klase. Anong klaseng hayop? Sooner niyan, kakanta na ako ng hayop na combo ni Willie Rebel. Alam mo yun? Yoyoy. Rebellame dito. Di ba may mga team, may mga ganung samahan ng hayop. Kahit saan pa kayo galing, no? Dito lang kayo. Kasi iba naman yung pinag-uusapan dito. Alright? So, thank you so much. Sabi nga ni Jasmine Pitt, daming tawa. Oo naman. Di ba? So thank you so much. Basta we are here to learn more about the forensic investigation, and to those students preparing themselves for the upcoming August 1, 2, and 3. August yan. Okay, please do claim it right now. Nakapapasa kayo para katulad ng iba, babalik kayo dito to say thank you ma'am, blah 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 blah. Currently a psych student and want to pursue forensic psych. How many years will it take me po? Well, you know why? You know what? Tapusin niyo muna yung psych, no? BS psych. And then of course, you need to undergo trainings. Trainings about forensic psychology. Trainings about this course. Ano ba meron dyan? Special training yan eh. I don't know kung 4 years yan. Pero syempre, hindi ko pa nabalitaan na merong BS Forensic Psychology. Ano? Oo. Psych lang, alam ko, no? So, just mag-ipon kasi kayo ng mga specialized courses. Oh, look at my moderator, YSC Hortel. Mahilig yan, no? Mag-aral pa. Tulad ko, dami rin. So, sabi ko nga, okay, kunin na mga forensic trainings, mga specialized courses. Baon-baon nyo yan. Yeah. Kasi you will learn a lot. Kapag mga ganyan, after you graduate, kanina sabi niya where he will start after graduation and taking this board and pass the board exam, saan ba kung magsisimula? You need to undergo trainings. Oo. Hindi ka, thank you so much for that heart, me, Faith Joy. Hindi yan basta-basta sasalang ka, no? Para you need to be more confident about the field that you want in life, or as to your greener pasture, should I say. You need to be very good in that. No? Of course, sabi ni Jeron. Ilang taon ka na po? That's off topic. Bakit ba? Aanin niyo ba yung age ko? Jeron, no? Ano po ba ang magagawa ng age ko, Ira? Matanda na po ako. Obvious naman. So, yun lang naman. Hulaan na lang natin, or akin na lang yan. It's okay naman. But kasi hindi kasi yung topic ngayon na iba yung topic niya. Caroline, thank you so much. Matanda na po ako. Oo. So yun lang, no? So you better be good, of course, diyan sa pinapasok nyo, because you are serving those families of the victim. Natawa si Jeron. You are serving all those families of the victim na nakanganga, no? Sa hustisya. Alam niyo yun? Halos gawin kang santo ng mga yan kasi umiiyak sa harap mo yung family. Okay, habang umiiyak yan, nakahawak sa'yo. Don't you feel like para ka ng sinanto niyan? Tapos hindi mo gagalingan sa trabaho. 'Di ba? Tapos sasabihin mo, ingunguso mo na lang sa mga subordinates mo, gawin niyo to. 'Di ba? Pero iniiyakan ka kasi yung mga mahal nila sa buhay nakasalalay sa'yo, right? So iniiyakan ka. Tapos nakahawak sa para ka santo. So you better be good, no, dyan sa klase ng trabaho mo. Binibigyan pa din po ba kayo ng service? FA kahit nasa foreign? Of course. Yes. Before retiring, sinurrender ko na yun. May mga issued FA po kami lahat. And now I do have my personal naman, no? Yes. Kompleto yan. Kasi yung mga nasa forensic group, I just would like to inform you, yung mga nasa forensic group po, mga police din po kami. I was once a member of PNP Forensic Group. Okay? Kaya, ano po yan? Lahat kami de ganyan. Baka kasi tayo mga ni TikTok, no? So, lahat kami de bang-bang. Yan. And up to this time, meron po yun. Kasi in privilege po ako. Kaming mga retiree, in privilege kami to have our own firearm. Ask ko lang po, ma'am, registered engineer po. Pumapasok sa hanay ng bisala. Anong tanong mo doon? Anong society? Ask ko lang po, ma'am, registered engineer. Pwede po, iba-iba kasi yung unit. Doon ka pumasok or mag-apply sa PNP Engineering Service. ES. Hanapin mo sa FB page ngayon. Baka open sila. Lalo na registered ka na. PNP Engineering Service or PNP ES. Kami PNP FG, PNP Forensic Group. Yung iba PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group, no? Yung iba, marami yan. May chaplain service pa nga. Sa pari naman yan. Okay, so yun lang naman. Thank you so much for joining us. And of course, sabi nga nila, worst na experience. Tama ba yung kaninang nakagip kong tanong? Worst and best experience po with your work. You know what? The worst, hindi naman yan tinuturing worst. Matrabaho lang. Medyo hardest. Oh, wow. Look at that. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, coming from one viewer or watcher, thank you so much for giving me that gift. Tama ba ako? Galing sa kanya. Maraming salamat po. Okay, worst. Hindi naman siya tinuturing worst. Hardest. No? One after the other kasi paglagpas isa. Tama? So, matrabaho. Hardest. Pero worst kasi hindi ko mabitawan yung worst since alam niyo naman, hindi naman natin gusto mangyari mga ganyan. Hindi naman nila gusto mangyari yan. And much to us. Oh, hi. Yi siya. Dito si Shalom to eh. Thank you so much for saying good evening, Prof. Magandang gabi sa iyo. Okay. And to some others nandito ngayon. So, hardest, one after the other. Ano yung mga yon? Mass disaster. Ilan ang patay dyan? Madami. Diba? So, ilang araw na kayo nandyan. Of course, explosion incident. And of course, not to forget, ito yung pinaka mahirap because we need to reconstruct the body of the victim, none other than or this one. Chop, chop. Mutilated body parts, no? Sabi ko nga, kapag napunta sa iyo yung ulo, you need to wait for the torso. Kapag napunta sa iyo yung torso, you need to wait for the ulo. You need to wait for the feet. You need to wait for the arms. Para i-reconstruct mo siya as maging tao and you need to take photographs for proper documentation. Ikaw na rin mag-move. Imagine, nagkakakitaan kami ng ulo, yung mata niya. Diba? Ikaw na rin mag-move nun. Kasi, syempre, hindi naman yan ang trabaho ng ibang kasamahan mo. May kanya-kanya kayong trabaho, right? So, i-move mo siya para maging tao. I-move mo yung kamay. I-move mo yung ulo. Okay. Then, you go taking photographs already. Pagka ganun na. Reconstructing ba? Yeah, sumasagot si Moderator YSC. Partner ko na chop-chop. Best, wala nang hihigit pa na mabigyan mo ng hustisya. Best experience when you are inside the court. That's why I'm sharing my experience, no? And up to this time. 2145, Junard, that's my mom. Thank you so much for staying. Yung pinaka-best nito is kapag ka nagkaroon na ng hustisya, yung mga ebidensya pinipresent mo sa court. Yes, oo. Kasi makikita mo na yung family of the victim. Ano ba yung mafe-feel nila? Nandun ka habang nagsasalita ka about the pieces of evidence na nagkalat, na kinuha, at sinubmit mo for laboratory examination. Let's say ako, I was once the forensic photographer of all those scene of the crime na pinapasukan namin. Good evening din sa'yo. So, ibig sabihin, you will be bringing those photographs inside the court. Yun ang pinaka-ebidensya. And all those people inside the court, hindi nila nakita through their naked eye yung nangyari dun sa krimen except for bringing all those photographs taken by you as forensic photographer. Dun lang nila makikita kung anong pangyayari meron nung time na yon. I-present mo yon as photographer. So, hindi pa dun natatapos. Hihirit pa sila. Hihirit pa sila. Ano ihihirit nila? May I see the sketch of your photographs? Tama? Ang alam ko, 10 lang eh. 11 na ba, Shander? So, ano yung pang 11? Isa-isahin nga natin yan. Okay, ang 10 kasi is Soco Division ng panglas. Baka may nadagdag ulit. Okay? It's very okay. No? So, yun lang naman. That's false information, Shander de la Peña. Okay. Di ba? Bago mo malaman, malalaman ko muna yan. Naku, Diyos ko, pag lumabas sa board exam yan, mali agad. Okay, for the information of everybody and to those who will be taking board exam this coming August 1, 2, and 3, baka may lumabas na tanong, how many divisions are there? Sa forensic group, 10 lang. Mali itong 11, Shander. Ay! Ayan ang sinasabi ko, no? You know, as much as possible, do not give us false information kasi may mga example sila sa magbo-board exam. Baka sakaling lalabas yan, magkamali agad. Okay, no, hindi excuse yan. Basta next time, wag masyadong mabilis magbigay ng info kapag hindi po kayo sigurado. Oo, kasi yung mga nandito, nakaasa po yan. Okay. Let me just correct what Shander de la Peña na sinabi na 11, wala pong dinideclare na 11, 10 pa rin yan. Isa-isahin mo yan, 10 yan. Pahirapan mo patuloy ako isa-isahin yan. Ang pinaka-latest kasi is SOCO Division. Okay? Isa-isahin mo nga, Shander. Tutulungan kita. Sa baba tayo mag-umpisa. First floor, second floor, no? Ang dami yan. 10 yan. Thanks po, ma'am. Pasado na ako, Fed takers. See? Ang daming bumabalik dito. So, isa-isahin nyo yung 10 na yan. Wala pong 11. Nagulat tuloy ako dyan. Okay, so just trust forensic kong guro. Huwag muna kayo mag-depend sa baba tulad ni Shander, no? Anyway, admitted fault naman si Shander na nagkamali siya. We only have 10 divisions and the last division is the SOCO division. Okay? So ano ba yung... Kaya nga, pansinin nyo yung logo sa patch namin. Dati po yan 8. Ngayon, 10 na. Diba? Yung star dito sa patch namin. Ikaw, Shander, saan mo ilalagay pa 11 dyan? Ikaw talaga. Ang binago lang ngayon is yung kulay, no? Medyo light ng konti. Okay. Sa wakas napanood ko ulit yung live mo, ma'am. Thank you so much for coming back here sa live natin. Ikaw talaga, Shander. Ulitin ko, ha? 10 lang po ang division. Ginulat mo naman kami dun. Siyempre, malalaman ko, taga dun ako ng 24 years eh. No? Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan yung pag-feed nyo dyan. Kasi 85, 88 viewers, mga estudyante na magbo-board exam yan. Okay? So, wag po kayo magsabi ng mga hindi kayo sigurado. Kaya pati ako nagulat. Paano naging 11? 10 lang yan. Nung umalis ako, anong dinagdag nila dyan, Shander? Dinaig mo pa yung director namin magdesisyon. Alright, so yun lang naman. Thank you so much. And to some others, Leonor 2145, and I think before you click, see, may nag-react agad sa baba, Shander. Nako, Diyos ko po, pupugin ka dito ng bashers kapag mali ang binigay mong information. Kung tatanungin ko sa'yo, dahil first year ka rin na pag-aralan, ano ba yan, 10 na yan? Sige. Kasi baka lumabas sa board exam, no? Kawawa naman magkakamali. Uulitin ko, 10 division meron ng PNP Forensic Group. Okay? 10 division yan. Kaya nadagdagan yung pinaka-ganon ng no? Ng aming logo. Alright, Alonica, thank you so much. Jasmine Pay, thank you so much for staying with us. Of course, it's already 12:39. The last division na na-add is 2. VNA division at saka SOCO division. Okay, isa-isahin na nga natin yan. Sige, tulungan mo ako. Sir 10. Of course, photography division. Question document, examination division. Fingerprint, examination division. Firearm identification division. Physical identification division. Tama? Meron ka pang 5 ulit. Okay, medical legal division. Polygraph division. Ano pa? Kasi papasok yung 2 huli. Division, SOCO division. What else mo? Kulang pa tayo ng isa. Chemistry division. 10 lang eh. Talaga to si Shander, kick ka dyan. Walang lalagpas dun. Anong pa i-examine mo dun kung lagpas dun? Okay, we do have 10 divisions only inside the PNP Forensic Group. Okay? So, yun lang naman. Thank you so much. And to some others na nandito ngayon, I hope you're gaining something from Forensic Guro. And of course, we do have another account, no? My Best of 16, that's the other side of us naman. So, thank you so much. And to some others nandito ngayon, who's giving gifts, maraming salamat. And who's staying with us right now, thank you again so much for your time and effort to learn more about forensic investigation. Okay? So, yun nga, no? Sabi ko sa inyo, best experience, of course, kapag nasa loob ka na ng korte, makita mo na yung mga families of the victim, hinihintay ko na sasabihin mo. Diba? Ito na ang problema. Kapag kayong mga forensic witness, hindi magaling sa mga pinangakuan yung trabaho na yan, hindi kayo umaattend ng hearing, di ba kayo nahihiya sa pamilya niya? Diba? Yes, and up to this time, I'm still having my subpoena. Nag-hearing tayo. Virtually, minsan yung iba. Yung mga hindi mahilig umattend kayo. Oo. Kasi, di ba, umahaba eh. Umahaba. Siyempre, marireset. Di ba? Reset tayo. Bakit? Hindi makakarating si forensic chemist. See? How many weeks na naman yan? Hindi naman pwedeng i-reset ka agad kung anong days ang pwede nila para sa'yo. Maraming naka-line up. Kaya po kapag may subpoena kayong natanggap, you better attend. Oh, even the director of the office kapag may subpoena. Yan ang kataas-taasan eh. Di ba kataas-taasan ng hukuman? So, better be good, no, in attending those hearings, just like as, iba kasi yung training noon, ano? And I'm very thankful about those trainings na-experience ko. Inuuna mo lagi yung trabaho mo. Oh, lagi-lagi yun. So, you better attend all those trainings na makakapag-disiplina sa'yo. Ano po tips mo sa mga aspiring forensic photographer like me po? Oh, well, you're one of the aspirants. Kailangan ready ka. Ito aspirant ka as a forensic photographer. Lahat, magmula sa umpisa hanggang sa dulo, kasali ka. Mga kasamahan mo, tapos na magtrabaho, tapos na lahat, gising pa rin ako. Lalo na kung maraming ebidensya, maraming biktima. Wala kang karapatan tumanggi. Because you are there for crime scene documentation. Okay. So, kailangan may focus ka. May tinatawag tayong anticipatory mindset. Okay, you need to anticipate everything. Oh, yes, I'm one of the, ikaw na naman pala yan, Shander. I'm one of the lecturer, course instructor ng CCJE Forensic. Okay, so tips ko kay Zizi. Okay, you need to have those anticipatory mindset. You need to anticipate everything about the job that you would like to pursue after this, no? Sige, nabuo yun yung isip ko at interest ko kasi gusto ko na maging forensic photographer. Okay. Ano-ano ba yung pwede mong maging subject? Subject means ito yung kukunan mong photographs, bangkay, ebidensya, body fluids, dugo. Lalo na. Nabubulok, decomposition, in decomposition stage. Nabubulok na aagnas, katabi mo yan. Kunan mo ng photographs yan. 2x2, para kang nagpa 2x2 malapitan, and that's what you call extreme close-up view. Yung amoy niyan kakapit sa'yo. Hanggang dun, nanunuot sa dulo ng bunbunan mo. Kahit na may bigs ka, luha ka naman ng luha kasi mentholated yan. Kailangan marami kang paghahanda, no? Kasi hindi mo pwedeng pag inumpisahan, ayawan yung trabaho na yan. It's like making a movie. There's always an end and there's always a beginning. So, lagi yan, alpha, omega. Start and then end, no? Laging ganun. It's like making a movie. So, you need to take photographs doon sa victim, sa person of interest, and or suspect na tinatawag. All those pieces of evidence, every movement. Nag-i-sketch, kukunan mo si sketcher. Si, nag-delift ng latent print sa dingding, kukunan mo yan. Coordination between the TL, the team leader, and the investigator on case, kailang you're making a movie, sabi ko nga, sino-sino tong mga bida na to. Kapag may prominenteng taong dumating, let's say the President of the Philippines, you need to take and cover all those mga, kailangan mo yan. No? Kailangan ma-cover mo yung pagdating at pag-alis ng Presidente. If that's a sensational case, kailangan yung mga mayor, yung mga makukunan mo sila. Documentation ka. Sobrang mahirap kasi magmula sa umpisa hanggang wakas, hanggang korte, hanggang morgue, kasama ka. So, yan ang trabaho ng photographer. Duktong-duktong kasi yun. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much for joining, no? And to some others who would like to ask question para maiba naman yung topic natin, okay lang po. Alright, Shander de la Peña, you owe me a lot for giving false info. Thank you so much for joining anyway. Hello, ma'am. Oy, Ri! Kamusta ka na, Ri? Ito, if I'm not mistaken, Ri, from PNP Forensic Group sa Polygraph. Tama ba ako? Ikaw ba yun? Dami kasi may pangalang Ri, no? Oo, so yun lang naman. Thank you. Marky, thank you so much for joining. 45 viewers coming from 100 plus. Maraming salamat for joining, and to some others, of course. Jasmine Faith, thank you so much for all those gifts and for staying with us, of course. And to some others on the details saying, hello, ma'am, hello, prop, hello. I really appreciate, no? I really appreciate your presence, of course, no? And of course, full alert, pasok po. So may pasok bukas, Ri, okay? She's from the PNP Forensic Group, Polygraph Division, okay? Oo, full alert kasi Labor Day. Hindi naman na iba yan, no? Di ba, Ri? Oo, pasok bukas. Ako wala nang pasok, Ri. Darating ka din dyan. Okay, no? So, one of my colleagues, of course, Ri, from the PNP Forensic Group. Thank you for posting, and we've discussed so much here, Ri. Kanina pa ako nagsimula. Sobrang dami, and all those question, Q&A, all those queries made by the viewers, very meaty. That's why, sabi ko nga, I'm very thankful about those meaty questions. Definitely, you'll be getting very meaningful and meaty answers. And lots of you here will be benefiting for this answers that I'm giving you. Nothing to lose, something to gain tayo lagi. And of course, in the presence of my colleague from the PNP Forensic Group, isang magaling na magpapatunay, no? Okay, kasi minsan may mga nagtatanong dyan. 11 years na lang, ma'am, retire. Tagal pa niyan, Ri. Hindi, madali na yan. Oo, bukas nga. May na, di ba? Very good ka talaga dyan, no? So, everybody's longing for that 20 years early retirement, no? But, syempre, kailangan mo pang magbigay ng maraming pondo ng serbisyo sa taong bayan bago mo ma-file ang early retirement na yan. And of course, and that's going to be very inspiring to everybody naman. Okay? And that's the reason why also na, you know, maging inspirasyon din tayo dun sa iba. Di ba, Ri? Tignan nyo, ha? Lahat kayo pahinga bukas, kung active pa ako, kami may pasok. May attendance yan. At pag nawala ka, may kaso ka. Di ba, Ri? Di ba? Kapag wala ka or absent ka, ayan, for investigation ka. Yan ang pulis. Di ba, Ri? Okay, 50 viewers as of this time came from 100 plus viewers. Maraming salamat po. Matagal pa po, pero stay safe po. Di ba? Thank you so much, Jasmine, for that. And sabi ko nga, ganun kaselan. She's from Polygraph. But, you know, kahit na nasa Polygraph division siya, no? So, she's a polygraph examiner, but still nag-duty yan, no? As to SOCO cases na tinatawag, forensic investigator yan. So, lahat dyan iikot. Kaya nga walang Oscar or walang officer, walang non-officer. If you will undergo this basic scene of crime operation course or BISOCO, tama ba ako? Kasi I'm one of the subject matter experts during my time, lahat yan kaya mong trabahuhin. So, lahat kayo pantay-pantay. Alright? So, yun lang naman. Thank you so much for the trust. 42 viewers na lang po tayo, guys. And thank you so much for joining. Jasmine Faith, thank you so much. And for all the viewers na nagbibigay ng gifts, I really appreciate that. Maraming salamat po. And of course, to my YSC Hard JNS, thank you so much. And of course, to my mom nandito, maraming salamat din sa iyo. And of course, I'm still waiting for others. Ano yung pwede nyong maitanong. Of course, I will be answering all your questions as much as I can, as long as with forensic relevancy, yung mga katanungan nyo. Alright? So, yun lang naman. 31 viewers as of this time. Tomorrow, walang pasok. Okay? So, magsaya-saya kayo dyan. At yung mga kapulisan natin, lalo na yung mga nasa forensic, Diyos ko po, di kayo pwede mawala because anything happens. Anything happens, laging may presensya ng mga forensic investigators yan, hindi mawawala. Okay? So, yun lang naman. Thank you so much. And of course, thank you for joining my YSC Her Genes, Jasmine Faith, for staying with us. Maraming salamat. And yung mga nandito, Norjana. Hi, Norjana Reynolds G1. Thank you. Shalom, thank you for dropping by. Better Alone. Alam ko nandiyan ka pa siguro. Jasmine Faith, thank you so much. And we are... We still have 9 minutes more. Okay, if there's no more question, I would like to remind everybody, to those na nag-stay up to end live, free shoutout kayo kay Forensic Guro, okay? And yung sharing po kanina, napakaganda, no? Dami ko pong natutunan, Prof. Galing nyo. Thank you so much for that, no? And sana lagi kayo nandiyan dyan at marami talaga kayo matututunan. Siyempre naman, it's a God-given talent for free, so that's why we need to share this also for free. Okay, so yun yung mga makukuha nyo dito sa ating Tuesday and Thursday live. And of course, with the support and help of my partner YSC Hargenes and my mom, 2145. And to some others nandito ngayon na nagtsatsagang makinig sa akin, I can assure you that nothing to lose, something to gain. Okay? Ito yung pinaka-breaker nyo. mamaya na kayo mamasyal ulit. Okay, sa mga iba't ibang klaseng live. Okay, we still have 8 minutes to go. And I do hope wala na kayong question para mag-end live na po tayo. And remember, holiday po bukas. Of course, hindi holiday sa mga kapulisan, lalo na if you are a forensic investigators, no? Kasi yung mga forensic investigator, all after para sa mga ebidensya. So whatever happens, the crime investigator will be calling the assistance of forensic investigator para mag-conduct ng crime scene processing. Tama? Okay, so very good tayong lahat ngayon. And to those bashers and detractors, I feel so sorry for you kasi muted and blocked kayo right away. So sayang naman yung effort nyo. So next time, kung hindi kayo nagagandahan sa ganitong klaseng pagla-live ng isang host, huwag na niyong kaming guluhin. Masaya rito. Alright? So, yun lang naman. And of course, in the presence of my friend Jeron, thank you so much. At nandito ka, I really appreciate your presence every time we go and I go on live. Of course, we have 7 minutes to go. Wala na po bang katanungan? Because I'll be having my free shoutout. As of this time, no more questions. Nahahabol pa. Wala na. Alright, then let's proceed to free shoutout naman. Alright, thank you so much. 29,500 likes. Of course, special thanks to my mom, 2145. Maris, thank you so much. Jerome Evans, thank you so much. Pepe, thank you. And to some others, of course, Jasmine, who stayed with us. Jasmine Faye, 27 from Japan. Speedy _ 23. That's another photographer from Singapore. From, anong bansa ba si Shalom na dumaan, no? UAE. Whatever, so yung mga, yan, no? From Saudi, from Oman, from Dubai, lahat po kayo ng mga OFW, we really appreciate your presence. Of course, 29 viewers, no? And for our top viewers, thank you so much for all those gifts. Miss Faith Joy, followed by Miss Jasmine Faith 27, and of course, Better Alone. Ibang pangalan mo ngayon, anong nangyari? You maintain that pangalan na. O, ano ba talaga? And Speedy _ 23, thank you so much. And ito, I don't know, LA.LYKZ. Thank you so much for joining. And another character, ang character niya ay pusa. Sabi ko sa inyo, pusa, aso, o kabayo, giraffe, o kahit anong klaseng hayop pa meron kayo dyan na gusto nyo. It's very okay and you are very much welcome. Okay? So, walang problema yan. Walang count yan sa akin. As long as you're there, remain to be respectful of each other. Okay na okay po yan. Kim, thank you so much, Kim. Junior 2145, that's my mother. N, yan lang pangalan niya. N. Chris Cabrera, thank you so much. BJ. CJ _ good boy. Thank you so much. Nudge. Thank you so much for joining. PA Big Daddy. Thank you, Mark. Thank you so much, Ross Ardrich. And of course, 19 viewers na lang tayo. Sa lahat pa ng mga pumapasok pa, we're going to have our live again next week. Okay? Tuesday and Thursday kasi tayo eh. So next week na po ulit tayo magkita-kita. And of course, doon sa mga magagandang katanungan, thank you so much. Without your very good questions, very meaty question and meaningful questions, of course, maganda yan, no? Diyan tayo nakakatulong, no? Dito, explaining to everyone kung ano ba yung kinalilito nila dun sa katanungan na yan. Okay, so bye for now. I'll see you again next week, every Tuesday and Thursday, 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. Bye for now. Stay safe, everybody, and happy Labor Day tomorrow. Okay, bye.